Hi everyone, this is Chetan and this is our new YouTube channel which is Flavorsome. We just launched it and cooking has been our passion for a long time. So we work in a corporate company, so we thought why don't we open a channel and start preparing different recipes and share with our loved ones. So that's when myself and one of my colleagues, his name is Shiv, we both, I'm going to introduce him as well, he's Shiv, and we both decided that we want to start off with a YouTube channel, and it's a terrace cooking, so please pardon us for any mistakes. So we're going to prepare vegetable biryani and raita to start off with, and hopefully you people will like, and we would expect you to share, subscribe and support us throughout so that we can make more and more videos, and obviously we'll be more than happy to share it with you. Okay, so let's start with the cooking now. To start with, we would like to chop the vegetables. Now what we have got here is we've got beans, we've got potatoes, onions, we've got green peas, tomato, carrot, and we've got cucumber for raita obviously, and we'll start chopping one after the other. Yeah, so I'm going to chop beans to start off with, then I'll go with potatoes. It looks yummy. And Shiv, how long it's been since we are working in the same company?
10 plus years, man.
Yeah, that's the journey we have been together. So I think it's late for us to start a channel, but better to be late than to be never. So we don't want to waste any more time, and we would like to continue with more and more videos, guys. We really expect your support. Now we are chopping onions. Space and time for outdoor shoot, which we are planning in the future.
So Chetan, we are going to cook basmati rice vegetable pulao today.
Okay.
So I'm going to take you through the ingredients for making this.
I'm looking forward for it. Yeah.
So the ingredients are 500 grams of soaked basmati rice. We have one big potato, approximately 8 beans, and we have half a bowl of green peas.
100 grams.
Approximately 100 grams,
Yeah.
I can say. So 2 ripe tomatoes. We have to cut into this shape, and we have about a medium sized carrot here cut into pieces, 5 green chilies, and we have some cashews here, and for garnishing we have mint leaves. And now comes the spices. We have about 5 cardamoms and a small pinch of cinnamon, and we have 7 to 8 cloves. And this is a biryani thing. I'm not sure what you call this as. This gives good flavor to the veg pulao, the basmati pulao. Yeah. And now comes I have oil and milky mist ghee.
And we've got a couple of masala powders. To start with, we've got coriander powder, and we've got ginger garlic paste, and we've got chili powder, garam masala powder. Yeah, and we've got 2 of them actually, different brands. So we'd like to add all of these to get more aroma out of the vegetable pulao.
So ingredients are ready. We are going to cook now.
Yeah, let's start. That's the basic of all, and we're placing the cooker on the top of the stove. To start with, we're adding 4 tablespoons of oil, cooking oil, which Shiv is doing right now. Okay, we're done with it. Followed by 2 teaspoons of pure ghee.
Is this homemade?
It is. It's too sticky, isn't it?
It is.
Please get the spices now.
So now comes cloves,
Okay. Followed by?
followed by cardamom.
All right.
Now
Don't you peel it, cardamom?
I do. No, you don't have to.
Okay. I'm used to, peeling it. Normally.
Yeah.
Now, what do we add next? You need to stir it a bit, is it?
So
Okay.
onions.
As you can see, it's turned to golden color a bit. Now I think it's the right time for us to add green chilies. Okay, now we are adding ginger garlic paste to
So
this.
this is approximately 2 to 3 spoons, I can say.
Okay.
Yep.
Now after stirring for a while, I think it's time for us to add a little bit of cashews. Okay. And we're adding green peas.
Now tomatoes. Now we can add vegetables, potatoes, beans and carrot together.
Okay, after a bit of deep frying, we're adding chili powder, coriander powder, and followed by
Garam masala.
yeah. Yeah, we are adding a bit of salt. 1.5 tablespoons. I think that should be sufficient.
No, if it is required, we can add.
We can add it at a later stage, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now we are adding a couple of glasses of water.
Not couple of glasses, 1:2 ratio.
So, how many?
So we have taken 1.5 glass of rice.
Okay.
So we are going to add 3 glasses of water. 2.
So, it's double the quantity.
Exactly.
Okay.
3.
That's precisely 4 glasses, right? 3 glasses.
3 glasses. So we are going to close the cooker for a couple of minutes so that the vegetables will get boiled thoroughly. So let's check if the vegetables have been boiled. I think you can see the vegetables are boiled.
I think yes, they're boiled.
Now time for us to add rice.
Yeah, we can add rice.
This is soaked basmati rice. So we are going to add mint leaves and coriander.
And I'm gonna stir this a bit so that it gets mixed thoroughly with the rice, and followed by squeezing lemon. I've started getting the aroma already. Really hoping that it turns out to be a good
It will be.
vegetable biryani.
So we are going to close the cooker.
Lid and place the whistle on the top.
2 whistles.
Okay, now finally we are opening the lid of the cooker. This looks yummy. Hopefully it tastes well. See, why don't you taste and let us know how
Yeah.
it is. Just take a spoon, no? It's too hot.
Melting.
Trust me, guys. We never thought this is gonna be so beautiful and it's so tasty. I never thought that we would be able to prepare the vegetable biryani for the first time, which is being so tasty and authentic. We'd love it. Our dinner is set for this weekend, yeah. And yeah, that's about the video, guys. And request you all to support, share, and subscribe, and kindly share your comments so that we can improve on the future videos. And very shortly, we're planning to do an outdoor shoot on one of the non-vegetarian meal. We'll let you know soon. Thanks again. Thanks for your support. Take care. Bye.